Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this pod right here, and basically what this is a solar disc light. If you can see it from this band right here, and this is basically what the product looks like right here. So the cool thing about the product here is the fact that it actually turns on at night, but during the daytime it turns off. It actually will start charging the product using the direct sunlight on here, which is definitely pretty cool. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside right here. So they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and also how to use as well. Right underneath that, if you can see, they provide guys these plastic sticks right here. So you basically want to use this to actually stick it onto your grass when you guys set it up. And basically the top part right here is where you guys want to actually put the solar light itself. And you see right here, we basically have the product. And for the one that we got right here, it comes in a 4-pack. They do have other packs available as well in terms of like 8 packs or whatever. But since all these are the same thing, I'm just going to take out one of them to show you guys what the product looks like first. So once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So definitely see the solar panel in the middle part right here. So for the one that we got right here, it is the RGB light option. They do have like a warm white option or a plain white option. So depending on what you guys want, you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. And on the side right here, we do have the LED light right here. So if it's the first time using the product, you definitely want to take off this plastic layer right here first. So that way the product can work a lot better once you guys remove that part there. And then if we flip it to the other side, this actually looks like the back part right here. So you basically have a switch right here to actually activate the product or turn it off. And this hole right here is basically where you guys will actually stick on the plastic stick, which are these right here. So we take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this actually looks right here. So basically want to insert like this. Make sure it goes all the way in. Once you guys have it in, this actually looks right here. So you basically want to insert this inside right here. So just like this. Make sure it goes all the way in. Once you guys have it in, this is basically what the product looks right here. So you definitely have the option now to actually stick it onto the grass if you guys want to actually use that. Otherwise, you can just leave it flat down on the ground. But basically, when you guys are ready to use product, you want to actually turn the switch right here. Once you guys activate it, you guys are basically ready to use it. Let me actually turn off the light right here first. Alright. So instead of actually turn on right here, it definitely does work. If you see the light on here is actually really bright. You can see how bright it is right here. And basically the light actually changes the color automatically, so you guys don't actually have to do it. So the reason why it's on right now is because it's completely dark. But once the sun comes out, or if you guys use this in a room where it actually turns on the light, it actually would turn off by itself. So if I turn on my flashlight, let me show you what happens. Alright. So it turns off once you guys do that. But once I turn off the light, it turns back on. So that is basically how you guys use the product. If you can see, it's actually very simple. Literally all you're gonna do is just turn off the light or turn on the light. And you don't have to worry about recharging the product because actually it will charge automatically using the sunlight. So you definitely want to put this somewhere where there's direct sunlight. And also supposedly for this power right here, they mentioned how it's actually waterproof. So you don't have to worry about any water getting on here. So if you guys want to leave this outdoor in your garden, it should be fine. So that is basically everything that's on the power right here. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually working on. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality solar light that's very similar to this one right here, where you guys can put it into like your garden, your backyard, or even like a little pathway. You can definitely do that on here, which is definitely pretty cool. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.